Hey there guys, Abner here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the NERF Alpha Strike Tiger DB-2. So this one is the NERF Alpha Strike Tiger DB-2, and as you can see from our video right here, it's a shotgun type NERF gun. Of course, we will have the NERF branding right here. This is advisable to be used by kids ages 8 and up. Caution labels for official NERF darts, and it comes with 12 official NERF darts right there. Of course, we have the Hasbro branding right there. On the back, we have a good depiction of how our NERF gun should be used. This one, so it shows us how we can load the gun. This one shows us how to use the pump action. This is a pump action NERF gun. This is not battery operated. And of course, there's a trigger right there. So there is the 12X Elite NERF darts that it comes with. So let us continue with our unboxing. So here is our NERF gun right here. This is the Alpha Strike Tiger DB-2. Wow. So these are our 12 darts that is included in the package. Right here, guys. So now we go to our actual NERF gun. Wow. So there's the NERF branding right there. And this is our grip right here. It's a black grip. It's still plastic. This is not rubber. Kind of a good grip right here. There's an Alpha Strike branding on this side, and of course that is our trigger. And if you look at this side right here, this is our pump action loader. So this black handle right here, this is where we load the gun. There are a couple of holes for design on our NERF gun right here, and of course this is our barrel right here. That is our barrel right there. If you look closely, that is where, on the bottom of it, that is where we load our darts. Okay, on the other side, still the grip, the Alpha Strike logo still there, trigger, and this is again the handle for loading the gun. This is where we insert our NERF darts right here. So it's open. This is where we will manually load our Elite darts. Just to show you, it's closed on the right side. And on the other side, that is where you have that opening to load our shotgun right there. See? So this is how you load the gun. You take 2 Elite darts right here, and you put it on the barrel right here manually. Make sure they are nice and tight in there. There you go. We can only load 2 at a time. So now, all you have to do, right here, just pump it generally to your direction, like so. And you should hear it load right here. By the way, this would fire 1 at a time as well. So for 2 NERF Elite bullets or darts, you will have to load it, or you will have to load the gun twice as well. So this is how you load the gun. Get the handle. There. Now our gun is loaded. All we have to do is pull the trigger right here, and you will see our projectile launch right here. Ready? There you go, guys. What a powerful shot that was. Let's go with it again. And then one more time. Ready? That is great action right there. I like this gun already. Okay, so now let us do our power test. Okay, so here we go. Our NERF gun is locked and loaded. And we have our target right here, same as always. I will now fire from 6 feet back, and we will try to hit the target right there if we can now put a dent on it. We will use 6 darts to penetrate our target. So let's go. Ready? So there you go guys, in our NERF Alpha Strike Tiger DB-2. Unfortunately, we still haven't penetrated our target right here, but it's still a powerful shot. This is a real shotgun action for play. So I really like this gun, and it's absolutely fun to work with. There you go guys, this is our NERF Alpha Strike Tiger DB-2 shotgun type NERF gun. It's really a lot of fun, and I was really having a great time firing it. But the downside of this one should be you have to load it every time. But then when you load it, it's really a powerful shot automatically. Because this is a shotgun type NERF gun right here. The included 12 elite darts really help, because you have lots of ammo when you are trying to hit a target. And it's really not really that cumbersome to load, even though you have to load every 2 bullets or darts. So overall, this is a great gun. This is a great NERF gun to add to our collection. So which NERF gun do you now currently use? Which NERF guns have you added lately to your collection? Please comment it down below, okay? So that we'll know what our fellow collectors out there are using nowadays. And please don't forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed and watch our videos. For more info on that, check the link right here. I will also put it on our video description. So again guys, please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell. Select all so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.